You think you're just tired. But what if that constant fog, that dip in motivation, that quiet sadness creeping in isn't from your job or your phone or even your anxiety? What if it's from something you've been ignoring your whole life? Sleep. Not just how much you get, but when you get it. Because recent science reveals something shocking. Your sleep schedule may be the hidden key to your mood, memory, metabolism, even your future. Welcome to Soulithh, where we go deeper into the mind, the body, and the quiet truths you were never taught in school. Today, we're unlocking one of the most underestimated forces in human health, your circadian rhythm. If you've ever stayed up late scrolling, woken up groggy despite a full night's rest, or felt like your body's clock was out of sync with life, this video might just change the way you see everything. Because when you align with your body's natural rhythm, you don't just sleep better, you live better. Let's begin. At the center of your sleep system is a microscopic, powerful structure in your brain, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. This is your biological clock. And it doesn't tick with hours, it ticks with light. Every time light hits your eyes, the SCN tells your brain, wake up, it's time to go. When the sun sets, your body releases melatonin, the sleep hormone, preparing you for rest. This rhythm controls everything: your alertness, your digestion, your immune system, your blood pressure, even your mood. Imagine a city whose traffic lights suddenly blink out of sync. Now picture your body's inner systems doing the same. That's what happens when your sleep cycle is off. Studies show inconsistent bedtimes increase heart disease risk by 33%, stroke risk up by 40%. Obesity and diabetes follow shortly behind. It's not just about feeling groggy, it's about falling out of sync with life itself. We get it. Life doesn't wait for your bedtime. You're raising kids, finishing projects, surviving shifts. But here's what matters: awareness and small changes. Sleep isn't just physical, it's mental, emotional, even spiritual. Every night, your brain cleanses itself. It clears out emotional clutter, reinforces memory, and resets your capacity to handle the chaos of tomorrow. Ever snapped at someone for no reason? Lost patience? Felt sad without cause? These aren't random feelings. They're signs of a sleep-deprived brain trying to stay afloat. Why do we keep ignoring the one thing that restores us most? Why do we treat rest like weakness when it's actually strength? Choosing sleep is not failure. It's your greatest act of self-awareness. And when you finally start honoring it, life begins to flow again. Let's talk about real change. Here's your 5-step plan to reset your sleep rhythm, starting tonight. 1. Set a consistent bedtime and wake time. Even on weekends. Yes, even then, your body thrives on rhythm. 2. Dim the lights before bed. Turn off overhead lights an hour before bed. Use soft lamps. Stay off blue light screens. Let your body ease into the night. 3. Build a wind-down ritual. Tea, stretching, meditation, journaling. These cues tell your nervous system, you're safe, it's time to let go. 4. Create a sleep sanctuary. Cool, dark, quiet, and clean. No clutter, no chaos, just peace. 5. Avoid sleep killers. No caffeine after 2 p.m. No big meals or alcohol before bed. Let your body wind down, not power through. And if you mess up, it's okay. Perfection isn't the goal. Consistency is. Start sleeping better, and here's what changes. You remember more. You smile more. You feel like yourself again. One study found that people who improved just their sleep timing reported higher emotional stability, lower anxiety, and better focus, even without changing anything else in life. A man once said he hadn't felt clear-headed in 10 years. All it took was 10 days of sleeping on a schedule to feel reborn. Not a pill, not a diet, just alignment with his natural rhythm. Sleep is not the reward for working hard. It's the foundation that lets you work, love, grow, and live fully. Every night you have the chance to heal. Every morning you rise renewed. And it all begins with one decision: to honor your sleep. Your sleep is not a chore. It's not something to squeeze between deadlines and distractions. It's your nightly opportunity to reset, to heal, to remember who you are. So tonight, when you close your eyes, don't think of it as shutting down. Think of it as returning to yourself. And if this message helped you slow down, breathe deeper, or rethink your routine, share it with someone who needs to feel human again. This is Soulithh, where we go beyond productivity and talk about the parts of life that truly matter. Subscribe for more reflections that nourish your soul. One video, one breath, one night of sleep at a time.